Hi pita chips, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be filming a challenge. Today I'm going to be featuring my boyfriend Jason.
What's going on, you guys?
So for today he's going to be doing a challenge, but not just any challenge. I want to put him to the test and see how well he is when it comes to fashion, how well he knows me. So I decided to bring him to the mall to pick a whole outfit for me. Basically he's gonna glam me up, but there's a plot twist. The outfit has to be $30 and under, and I will not help him out in any way. I'm gonna try out the outfits, show you guys, and then we're gonna pick one out, go to my beauty room, put on the whole outfit, then he's gonna pick out accessories, and then you guys are gonna see the end result, and then we will rate it to see what we give him as a score to see how good he is. So are you excited?
I'm excited. The only thing that's gonna be hard is picking an outfit under $30.
It's a store that's called Under 5, and I think everything's like $5.
Maybe.
But I've never seen what the clothes actually looks like. So I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Because we're gonna go in the mall and get this video started. So let's go. We came to Barton Creek Mall. Here's where all the excitement is going to happen. So that's the store that I'm talking about. It's called Austin 5. Everything $5.99, the entire store.
Show them your outfit of the day.
My outfit of the day is this little shirt. Where did I get it? We went to, I don't know, when I did the Come Shopping With Me. I got it there. And then the jeans are from Brandy Melville. Oh, Forever 21. That's where I got it. Forever 21, Brandy Melville. And then my Vans, and then a little Louis bag that I got thrifted.
Yeah, you need help. You need a makeover for sure. Bruh. So do you think we should go to Victoria's Secret? Do you need any underwear?
Actually, I do. You know what you should do? You should do like a face makeover at Sephora and then buy me everything that you use on.
No. You just want makeup. You just want makeup.
That'd be a really good one.
So right now we're going to Forever 21.
And then we're gonna see what you can find there. If we don't find anything, we can go to Agassi, which is this one right here next door. We can probably go there. But first, Forever 21, and then I'm excited to see what you think is gonna look good on me. Okay, here we go. From now on, you can go to the men's section because that's usually where you go. We're going to this section.
Where do I start? There's so many things.
I don't know. This is gonna be fun.
Thinking maybe a dress like this. What do you think?
That's cute. Yeah.
You know, it can probably emphasize your curves. You know. Bruh.
I don't have any curves. Okay, I think Jason found some shorts that he likes.
So I'm thinking something like this. But all the shorts are really expensive. So they're $20. So that means I'm gonna have to look for a shirt under $10. But that's gonna be really hard. Alright guys, so I saw this outfit right here and it gave me like inspiration. But it's kind of pricey. So yeah, I found the shirt and I kind of like the shirt. What it say? Set your body free. Oh no, no. It
feels kind of nice to not be recording myself, just to hold the camera and record him. We should do this more often. Okay, so Jason found a whole stack of shorts.
They're kind of expensive, but so let's say I get these. These are 23, and then I can get these two shirts and it'll be $30.
Yeah, that's not. I mean, sounds like a good deal, but I can't tell you what to think of the outfits. So you're on your own.
Get this so you can try it
oh,
out,
and then he also got this dress so far. So
here.
2 outfits so far. You found jeans?
So I want to get some jeans, but I can't find the price. Where is it?
Behind, right there?
30. Nope.
Yeah, jeans are expensive. He looks hella confused, guys. He has no idea what the heck he's doing. Oh my god. Did you find anything yet?
No, I'm trying to look. Alright babe, so how do you feel about your stuff right now?
I can't tell you what I feel like, but I'll show them. He has this Sunday Fundays.
Damn, you're gonna be looking good, babe.
And then did I mention he got these overalls? Okay. And then the dress and the shorts that I showed you guys. So I think we're ready to try all.
So you're gonna try this on with the overalls, okay?
The overalls, okay.
And then the shorts with the green one and the black one.
Okay.
And then this shirt right here with the shorts as well.
Okay, and then the dress by itself, right?
Yeah, so okay. Show me what you got.
Ooh, okay.
Pretty good. I like the shorts. I like the shorts.
I like the shorts too.
Alright, try the next thing. You just changed the shirt, right?
Yeah.
I think I like the black better.
Can't tell you what I think. But whatever you think,
but it looks kind of basic. I don't know how I feel about it.
What do you want me to try next? This one?
The green shirt.
Okay. And then we'll do the overalls with the sweater.
And then the dress.
The dress. Yeah, we'll do it in that order.
Cool. Okay, now that shirt makes you look like a Subway sandwich.
Oh, I get it now.
Yeah, we're gonna have to skip on that.
Why? Because I look like a snack or what?
Dun, 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 dun. It looks pretty good actually. I like it. I like it. I like it.
What do you like about it?
You look like them NASCAR racers. That's what you look like. Okay, unbuckle that. And then like other one too.
Unbuckle both of them?
Yeah.
So what's gonna sustain it up?
I don't know. We're gonna try to make it work. More.
More?
It's a crop top.
Yeah, but I can't walk.
Okay, yeah, no. Yes, girl. Yes.
You have dancing emoji?
Hey. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about the dress. I feel like it's too long. What do you think?
Can't tell you.
So I know I like the shorts for sure, and I think I like the.
We should reveal what we get towards when we get to the beauty room. So
Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you what I picked out at the end whenever we get to the beauty room. So we got the outfit right here. How do you feel about it?
I'm excited for you guys to see what I'm gonna look.
I mean, I think it was pretty basic, and then we went a little bit over budget, right?
I did it. You did.
I know. You don't like it, you can come back and return it.
Yeah, I can always come back and return it. Baby,
What?
this finger right here is kind of looking kind of empty, and we're by K Jewelers, you know?
All right, guys. So we just got here to the beauty room. Do you want to show them what I picked out for you?
Okay, so Jason ended up picking this black crop top right here. It's pretty basic. This one was $3.90. Why did you pick this one?
Picked it because I got the shorts. Show them the shorts.
Okay, so
if I picked anything else, it was gonna be like over budget. Like there was no way I could have picked something else.
Especially because denim is so expensive. So then he got these ultra vintage shorts. These were $22.90.
I liked them a lot because it had this thing
the
like
distress going on. Yeah, so he paired these two, and then he got me a pair of glasses. These right here.
That kind of threw us out of budget.
This one, yeah, because this one was $5.90. So we were perfectly under 30, but then he was like, I really like these glasses for you, and da-da-da. So he picked these out. He's still not done with like the whole outfit, just because he is going to pick out some of my accessories that I have here in the beauty room, and he's going to complete the look.
All right, guys, are you ready? What do you guys think? Oh wait, your wig looks a little bit messed up from the back.
Don't pay attention to it.
It looks like you just have a big ball right here.
I rushed it, okay?
Alright, anyways, what do you guys think? Here's the back view. What do you guys think? Alright, turn around. 1, 2, 3. What are you doing? But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? So I decided to get that shirt like we showed you. The shorts, and then I decided to pair it with those heels. What are those?
Oh, these actually got at Forever 21, but like a long time ago.
Yeah, and then that pink wig, which looks a little bit weird. I don't know why. It looks weird. But yeah.
I didn't take my time. Oh, and then the glasses.
And then the glasses. So what do you guys think about the outfit, honestly? So the shorts were 23?
23.
23 and then
24.
23 and then
23 or 4.
and $4 and then
these were 6. This is what like threw us off. Well, threw you off budget. I think I really like the shorts. I'll definitely reuse them. The shirt, I kind of like it too. It's kind of like basic, I guess. I could leave it on my.
I mean,
I have plenty of these. That's the thing that I was kind of like, you know. The glasses are pretty cool because I don't have any glasses like these. So I feel like a little baddie when I'm gonna be driving like.
Hey.
You know? And then the wig, I already had it, so I already.
So did I do a good job or what?
I mean,
what do you think?
You did really good. I'll give you like.
Rate the outfit. Wait, put on the glasses.
Okay.
Put on the glasses. What do you guys think?
From 1 to 10.
All right, pose. You gotta pose. You gotta. Hey, babe, you look so weird. What are you doing? Get up.
Yes.
So
yes.
what do you guys think? I think you look better without the wig, to be honest.
Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed that little challenge. But before we leave, I do want to show you guys these storage containers that I received for my makeup, and I am so excited and stoked to show you guys, because if I love them, I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love them. And it has been helping me so much to put all my makeup away instead of just having it in the Alex drawers. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay, we're gonna start off with these. This top one, it doesn't all come together. I want to clarify that this is one piece, two piece, and then this is a third piece. So this one up here is for your lippies. I really love this one. And then this one is one of my favorite ones, except one of the little rhinestones fell off, but I'm gonna glue it back on. So here I keep all of my lip pencils, and then on this one all of my glosses, and then all of my matte liquid lipsticks. And then in these two bottom ones, you can use it for whatever you want, but I used it to store all of my brushes. So I have 4 sets of brushes here. We're gonna move my little doll back here, and then we're gonna move on to the second one. Now these are my favorite. Look how beautiful they are. Like, the detail that they have going on is like amazing. So here I keep all of my palettes, and then yeah, it looks really pretty. I really like it. So I keep all my palettes here. These bottom drawers, I try to keep everything like organized, like lips, brushes, and then just everything for eyes. So all my palettes here, and then here I have all of my loose glitters. And then I have here, I have these highlights, which are super cool. If only I can open them. But basically is like pebbles. Look. And then all of that is highlight. It's not the coolest thing ever. Well, anyways, I keep basically all of my highlights here. And then here I keep more eye things like glitter. And then this is like corrector for your eyes. Just everything here is for eyes. And then moving on here, this is my whole CoverGirl collection that CoverGirl sent me in their PR. And I just felt like this needed its own little section, just because it was like the first ever big campaign to reach out to me. So that was pretty exciting for me, and that like holds a very special place in my heart. So it has its own little section. I have all of the lippies from the collection here, anywhere from the liquid lipsticks all the way to the glosses, and then everything else for the face. And then on this section I have the top part. This very top drawer holds all of the Profusion PR that they had sent me. Profusion is the first PR to reach out to me, so I have this one here. And then right here I have all of my mascaras, concealers, lashes, again everything for eyes. Then we're gonna move on to my vanity. Okay, in my vanity I have this mirror, which is also part of the collection. Hey girl, hey! So it's part of the collection. Really pretty. I really like it. I like that it's gold. That's what I love about it most. This one is another one from the collection. And then here I stored another part of the CoverGirl collection. I stored the Dip Brow pomades, and then these, which are the Vitalis' Healthy Glow. So I keep all those there. And then here I keep all of my skincare, basically everything that's for the skin. So here's all my skincare, and then I have primers, foundations, and then these little mini size from the Balm Cosmetics that I have received. I used to get these in Ipsy. I no longer have Ipsy, but I like the way they look on the little container. And then here I just kept the Pixie by Petra, and then this Jelly Pong Pong. I just like the way it looked all together, so that's why I put it there. And then, are you guys ready for the best part? Ta-da! Look how beautiful this is. Like, it's not like your original brush holder. It's a brush holder with pearls instead of like little rhinestones. Oh my god, I cannot get over how beautiful it looks. And I specifically chose these brushes because I love the way they look. It's just amazing. I loved it. Alright, now this is the last piece from the collection. It is this tray where you can put your jewelry, perfumes, or makeup. But I used it to put this flower that I have here, and then this is the CoverGirl, I guess you could say, tablet that was in the PR box. And then I put this little Bobbi Brown, and then this eyelash curler, and then a few of my bracelets. These bracelets, I don't use them, but I just thought they looked really pretty. So that's all of the collection. So I'm going to leave those linked down below in case you guys are interested. But I wanted to show you guys really quickly, because a lot of you guys have been asking me if I had made any changes in the beauty room. And I feel like to get to where I want my beauty room, I need a lot of money, which I don't have. So I'm taking everything step by step. So one day I buy something small, and then another day I buy another thing. So then when I got these, they definitely did make a huge difference, because they made me organize my makeup so much better, and it looks so pretty. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave them linked down below. Alrighty, well that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of the Pita Chef family, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so you guys can show a lot of love to Jason. And
give it a big thumbs up, because I feel like I did a pretty good job.
You did a really good job, baby. You did. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.